They say, Jay, how in the world have you got $8.5 million sitting on the shelf of private money at your disposal at any time? And here's the answer. I put on my teacher hat. I put on my private money teacher hat. And you say, well, what in the world is the private money teacher hat?
This is
Well,
key, people. This is going to be some nuggets being dropped right here. I want you to hone in. Listen to this. Go ahead, Jay. Sorry.
Well, you're good. So what I mean by putting on your private money teacher hat is what you are doing is you are teaching people in your warm market what private money is. Now let's stop right there. There's three categories as to where you find private money. What are those categories? Well, first of all, you get private money that from people that you already have a relationship with. You got some kind of relationship. They're in your cell phone, your social media. You go to church with them. You go to the Rotary Club. You go to BNI. You're in the Chamber of Commerce. Relatives, friends, co-workers, blah, 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 on and on and on. You got some kind of relationship. That's one category. The second category is what I call your expanded warm market. Some people say, Jay, all my people are broke. Well, first of all, I don't believe them. But I say the more money you waller in, the more money sticks to you.